Hello friends, I am going to show you how to install opencart on XAMPP. First you can download opencart as a zip file from official website, then you can unzip. Okay, then you can go to unzip folder and select this upload folder and go inside this folder and copy everything. Then you can go to computer, C drive and XAMPP and go to this folder htdocs and create new folder as you wish. I create the folder as its name shop. Okay, then I paste config file here. It takes some time. Then you can type on the address bar localhost XAMPP and go to PHP My admin. Then you can create a new database for I create the database, its name is SOAP. Okay, create database has been created. Well done. Now you have copied everything, pasted everything here. Okay, now you go to the your browser and type the localhost and your folder names. My folder name is SOAP. Well, step 1, you can see that this window. You can click on continue button. Well, you can see this window. You can see the some error, see URL error and this error, config file error. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to fix this error. Well, first we are going to fix this error. First error is C URL error. Okay, now I am showed how to fix this error, C URL error. Okay, you can go to again htdocs exams. Okay, it is contained in a C drive XAMPP. Okay, see carefully this folder, PHP folder, and you can see the inside this folder PHP configure, this one configuration settings. Go to that folder, PHP configuration settings. Well, you can see this one. Now you can copy this URL and find that name. Fine is, you can see here. You can remove this part from here. Well, okay, and save and go to control panel application, stop and run again Apache. Now refresh. Okay, now you can see this one is okay. Now I am going to fix this error. Okay, now I go to C and XAMPP folder, C folder XAMPP and htdocs. Okay, shops. Okay, I go into this one. I should find this PHP file, php config. This one, php config, if you read carefully, you can this install instructions. Can you see this one, rename config, this you should rename this one as config php. Okay, admin, this one you should rename as config. Well done. Next, you can install file instructions. Next you can admin configs, this one, rename config this php to and admin. Okay, well done. Now we can refresh browser. You can see it is fixed now. Now you can press on continue button and you can give your database username, normally root. If you have usernames, you can put it. If you have password, you can put it. I haven't password. My database name is shop. I can give it. I give here. You can give your database name here and password. I typed these passwords and email address. Okay, then I can click on continue. It takes some time to install. Okay, now you have installed opencart on your exam server. You can see this window and you can log in as admin here. Well done. This video shows how to install opencart on your local host. Thank you very much. If you have problems, you can comment here. I'm creative creator from creativetutor.net. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.